When it comes to Windows of Glendale, finding the right service provider is crucial for ensuring quality and durability. Glendale, Arizona is home to numerous top-rated window installers. Glendale, who specialize in both residential window installation, Glendale and commercial window services. Whether you're looking for energy-efficient Windows Glendale or custom Windows Glendale, Arizona, the options are vast and varied. Energy-efficient windows are a popular choice for homeowners in Glendale, Arizona, as they help reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, making them ideal for the hot climate of Glendale, AZ. By choosing energy-efficient Windows Glendale, you can enjoy a more comfortable living environment while also reducing your carbon footprint. For those seeking custom window solutions, Glendale, Arizona offers a range of options to suit any style or preference. Custom Windows Glendale, Arizona can be tailored to fit unique architectural designs, providing both aesthetic appeal and functionality. Whether you need bay windows, Glendale, Arizona, or sliding windows Glendale, AZ, professional window installers in Glendale can create the perfect solution for your home or business. Window installation. Glendale is another essential service for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows. From window frame installation, Glendale to window glass replacement, expert window installation. Glendale professionals can address any issues you may encounter. Regular window maintenance. Glendale is key to prolonging the life of your windows and ensuring they continue to perform optimally. Vinyl window installation is a popular choice in Glendale, Arizona, due to its durability and low maintenance requirements. Vinyl windows. Glendale, Arizona are resistant to warping, cracking, and fading, making them an excellent investment for any property. With affordable windows, Glendale AZ options available, upgrading to vinyl windows is a cost-effective way to enhance your home's value and curb appeal. Custom window solutions in Glendale, Arizona offer homeowners and businesses the flexibility to design windows that meet their specific needs and preferences. Whether you're looking for bay window installation to create a cozy reading nook or need window design consultation for a complete home renovation, Glendale's window experts provide personalized services to bring your vision to life. Custom windows, Glendale, Arizona are crafted with precision and attention to detail, ensuring that each window is a perfect fit for your space. Double-pane windows Glendale are another excellent option for those looking to improve energy efficiency and noise reduction. These windows feature 2 layers of glass with a space in between, providing superior insulation compared to single-pane windows. By opting for double-pane windows Glendale, you can enjoy a quieter, more energy-efficient home environment. Sliding window installation. Glendale is a practical and stylish choice for many Glendale AZ homeowners. Sliding windows Glendale AZ offer easy operation and a sleek design, making them ideal for modern homes. With professional window services. Glendale, you can ensure your sliding windows are installed correctly and function smoothly for years to come. For businesses in Glendale, Arizona, commercial window services provide an excellent way to enhance the appearance and energy efficiency of commercial spaces. From window glass replacement to window frame replacement, Glendale's commercial window experts offer comprehensive solutions tailored to the unique needs of businesses. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows can significantly reduce operational costs by improving insulation and reducing the need for artificial lighting. With professional window services Glendale, businesses can create a more inviting and comfortable environment for employees and customers alike.